Good evening, children. How are you? Hope you all will be good. So today I decided to complete this chapter. Only last topic is left, that is stock and variable, right? So stock variable are those economic variable which are measured at a particular point of time, like on 31st March 2024 at 2 p.m. So these are variable which are known as stock variable. But all those variables which are measured at during a particular period of time, these are known as flow variable. Like for example, national income. National income we measure during a year, for a year, right? So it is a flow variable. So main point of difference between the stock variable and flow variable: the stock variable measured at a particular point of time. Flow variable are measured during a period of time. Stock variable, they don't have any time dimension, while flow variable they have time dimension, like in a day, per hour, per month, right, in a year. So flow variable have time dimension, right? This is the only difference between stock and flow variable, right? Now we can see, just I explained to you, this is stock and flow. Stock variable are those economic variable which is measured at a point of time, and flow variable measured at a particular period, during a period of time. The stock variable, they don't have any time dimension, while flow variable they have time dimension, like per hour, in a day, during the year, etc. Right? Okay, you can go through this picture. The water in the tank, right? That is stock at 2 p.m. right? But the water added in from this tap to water tank per hour. Per hour, how much water added from tap to water tank? This is what? Flow variable, because we are measuring per hour during a period of time. You can see this picture, right? This is stock of skills, right, in India at this moment of time. This is stock variable. But what is the addition to this stock during a year, during a period of time? In the stock of skills, expertise in India, this is what? Flow variable. Addition to this stock during a period of time, this is what? Flow variable. If I will say this is the capital available in India, right, at this particular point of time, this is stock variable. But capital formation means addition to the stock of capital during a period of time, during this year 2023-24. So it is known as flow variable. This is point of difference. National income here, national wealth here, right? Human capital here, stock, human capital formation here. Capital is stock and capital formation is flow, right? And saving is flow, consumption is flow, income is flow, right? Because these are measured during a period of time. So this is the point of difference between stock variable and flow variable. And you know that I will give the recap for the topic subtopics I taught in this chapter. Initially I explained to you, this is three phases of circular flow. Why it is a circular flow? Because of human wants are unlimited and recurring in nature. That makes production a process, and that is why it is a circular flow, right? There are three phases of circular flow. First is production phase, which is also known as income generation phase. Here we use value added method to calculate any of the aggregate of domestic or national income. Second phase is income distribution phase, where income is distributed to all factors of production in return of factor services. Here we are using the income method to calculate any of the aggregate of domestic or national income. Third phase, that is disposition phase. Here we are adding the expenditure done by all four sectors on final goods and services, and we are using expenditure method here, right? Then we can see, I taught you there are two types of circular flow, right? Money flow and real flow. Real flow where firm first household sector do the you provides the factor services to firm in the form of land, labor, capital and enterprise, and in return firm do the payment to the household sector in the form of goods and services produced by the firm. This is what real flow. It is also known as physical flow, nominal flow, money flow, where first firm do the payment, monetary payment, right, to the household in the form of factor payment like rent, interest, wages and salary and profit, right? And in return household sector do the expenditure payment to firm on the purchase of goods and services. Again firm will do the production because production is a process due to unlimited human wants, right? So it is going on. Money flow is known as nominal flow. Real flow is known as, here real flow is also known as physical flow, right? That I taught. And third concept I explained to you, this is what? Stock and flow today. Stock measured at a point of time, flow measured during a period of time. Stock variable, they don't have time dimension. Flow variable, they have time dimension. And this is all about this chapter. So you are supposed to revise all the concept I taught in these last 3 videos. If you have any doubt, please share in comment box, right? I will take care of your doubts. But my aim is all students who are going through my videos must get good marks in your examination. Have a nice day ahead.